Is your eFootball crashing or freezing on your PC while launching or during matches? In this video, I'll show you how to fix eFootball crashing and freezing issues on PC. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Verify game files. First, close the eFootball window. After that, click on Windows icon from the taskbar. Now click Windows Settings here. Next, click Apps from left sidebar. Then click on Installed Apps. Here find the De Novo Anti-Cheat Apps. Then click on 3 dots next to it and uninstall the app. After that, open up the stream, then go to Library, Next, right-click on the eFootball, then click on Properties. Now click here. Click on Installed Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. After clicking on it, Stream while notify the anti-cheat is missing. And then it will reinstall a fresh update version of anti-cheat. Now go ahead and reset your PC and then relaunch your game and see whether the issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 2. Clear eFootball local data. Open up this PC or computer shortcut. Then click Documents. Here you will see the Konami folder. Now open it up. Now delete eFootball folder. Now restart your PC. After that, open up the game. Then your data will rebuild automatically. Don't worry, these reset settings, but not your online progress. Solution 3. Lower FPS. Go to the Stream library. Now open up the eFootball. Then go to the home screen. Now tap on Extras from the top menu. Then click on the game settings after that. Click on Screen. Now click on Display Quality. Then select Low. After that, press B to go back. Then scroll down and click on Display option. Here, you can see the game FPS. Click on it. If it is selected to 120 FPS, then select 60 FPS. And make sure to select VSync off. Then press B to go back. Hope your issue is fixed now. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.